Hi, Deirdre here. I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration of how to make a few different charts with the same piece of information. So the information is being held on cell A1 down as far as C8, and with that same information we're making 1, 2, 3, 4 different charts. Okay, so we'll start off and just make the first chart. So first thing you do is you select the information. So select cells A1 down as far as C8, and then on the insert tab it's telling you here it's a 3D clustered column. Okay, so we go to a column chart and it's a 3D clustered column, so that's that one there. Okay, that's pretty good. All we have to do is put in the chart title. So we click on the chart title and we type in cells, and once you press enter it goes into the heading. So that's grand, we'll pop that one down underneath. Okay, the second one here is a 2D line chart. Again, select the information and go to insert, and it's going to be a line chart, and it's a 2D line chart, and that's your chart there. And again, we're just typing in meal sales, and that's it logged in there. Okay, next one we want to do is move these ones out of the way so I can see it. This one here, this is a 2D chart, but this time, instead of having lunch and dinner in the legend, we want the days of the week. So we're going to flip it around. Okay, so this is a 2D clustered column chart. Again, we're going to select up the top here. So we select up here and we go into insert, and it's a clustered column chart, which is this one here. But at the moment we have lunch and dinner in the legend, in the description of the colours down here, and we want to flip it over. So all we do is we press this button here, it's on the chart design tab, and we click on switch row columns, and now you can see we have days of the week down the bottom and we have lunch and dinner up here. And then you can choose different styles. Okay, and you can choose and put on different colours, for example style number 6 here to go on it, and you can see you're changing the look of it, and you can change the chart title. Okay, and so the last one then is a 3D chart, and it's chart style 8 has been applied, and it's just lunch. You notice when you're doing a pie chart you can't have two rows of numbers, it must be just a single row of numbers. Okay, you can't make a pie chart out of 2 rows of numbers, so we're just doing lunch this time. So we go to insert and pie chart, and we're going with I think it's a 3D pie chart, and then we're looking at the different chart designs, and I think it might have been this one here that we went with. Okay, style 8. I'm very fond of style 8, so because I think it's quite easy to read it. Okay, and we applied style 8. Okay, end of this video.